3, 2, 1, start. India is constituted into a sovereign democratic republic to secure to all its citizens fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity of the nation. Therefore, rights conferred on citizens and non citizens are not merely individual or personal rights. They have a large social and political content because the objectives of the Constitution cannot be otherwise realized. Fundamental rights represent the claims of the individual and the restrictions thereon are the claims of the society. Justice, social, economic and political is provided not only in Part 4 Directive Principles but also in Part 3 Fundamental Rights. Article 38 in Part 4 is the only article which refers to justice, social, economic and political. However, the concept of justice is not limited only to directive principles. There can be no justice without equality. Article 14 guarantees the fundamental right to equality before the law on all persons. The gravamen of Article 14 is equality of treatment. Article 14 confers a personal right by enacting a prohibition which is absolute. By judicial decisions, the doctrine of classification is read into Article 14. Equality of treatment under Article 14 is an objective test. Therefore, the basic principle underlying Article 14 is that the law must operate equally on all persons under like circumstances. Equality before the law guaranteed by the first part of Article 14 is a negative concept while the second part is a positive concept which is enough to validate equalizing measures depending upon the fact situation. Equality is not violated by mere conferment of discretionary power. It is violated by arbitrary exercise by those on whom it is conferred. This is the theory of guided power. This theory is based on the assumption that in the event of arbitrary exercise by those on whom the power is conferred would be corrected by the courts. The right to equality enshrined in our Constitution is not merely a formal right or a declaration. Affirmative action, though apparently discriminatory, is calculated to produce equality on a broader basis. By eliminating de facto inequalities and placing the weaker sections of the community on a footing of equality with the stronger and more powerful sections, so that each member of the community, whatever is his birth, occupation or social position, may be enjoys equal opportunity of using to the full his natural endowments of physique, of character and of intelligence. Stop.